Hello Zahid, how have you been?
Fine, thanks. What about you?
I am also fine. What are you doing?
I am learning English.
Wow, great. It's a good job. Where are you learning English?
I am learning English in Jamia Zaid bin Sabit.
Why are you learning English?
I am learning English because it is the international, official and educational language in today's world.
Would you like to tell me about it?
Yes, why not?
Please.
English language is very important. Nobody can deny the importance of English in the present time as a global language. It's clear that English has become more dominant around the world. English language is spoken all over the world. As a result, increasingly, people are devoting time to studying English as a second language.
Nice. Actually, English is essential in our every walk of life.
Of course, it is an international language in this age of globalization. It plays an important role for communication in the present world. So learning English is a must.
But it's unfortunate that we are neglecting it. For that, we are lagging behind from the other people.
Oh, it's really disgraceful. This situation must be changed if we want to keep pace with the modern world.
You are right. Our international relation and trade would be affected much if we don't learn English.
Exactly. Besides, without efficiency in English, no one can expect to receive higher studies, as all the books in higher education are written in English.
Yes, it's only English that can help us to enter the storehouse of knowledge.
But it's matter of thinking that there is no education about English in our madaris.
Exactly, and as a result, they are being deprived of getting good job and receiving good salary.
Thank you for your explaining.
Thanks too.